Hello friends, if you are want to download US bank instant card application but you got an error and just like this, your device is not compatible with this version. So what's the problem and what is the solution of this problem? So friends, this message simply means that the app you are trying to install or update has specific requirement that your phone or tablet does not meet. Okay, and the app developer has set rules and your device fall outside of those rules. Okay, uh, for overall conclusion, we are talking about the error. Most of the time this error means your device is too old to meet the new requirement of modern apps. While you can sometimes find workaround, the safest and the best long-term solution is often to look at an alternative app or consider upgrading your device if possible. Okay, so it means you should need to replace the device with the latest feature. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.